Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to share a movie or show on Plex. First of all, launch open Plex application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Plex, go ahead and find a movie or a TV show you want to share with your friends. Open up the TV show or movie, and once you're inside this info section, click on the More button from the menu. Now, in the More Actions tab, you will see Share This Movie button. Tap on that. Soon after you do that, you can then share this link with any of your friends. You can add friends so that you can share your Plex collections, or if you want to directly copy the link and share it on different social media platform, tap on Copy Link. Now you can go ahead and open up any social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. and select a contact you want to share the movie or TV show with. You can also go ahead and share it via SMS or write down an email to your friend, and that way you will be able to share your TV show or movie you are currently watching on Plex in just a few simple steps. That is how super easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.